Welcome to Let's Unbound Math Kangaroo class. And today we are going to discuss one question that came in Math Kangaroo examination for grades 7 and 8. And this question is of 4 marks. So let's reveal the question. Here is the question. In the diagram, the area of each circle is 1 centimeter square. The area common to two overlapping circles is 1/8 centimeter square. What is the area of the region covered by the 5 circles shown? So they have provided us the figure here. And as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. And the area of these 5 circles is 1 centimeter square. That means in total, we have the area of all the circles that will be 5 centimeter square. But they are asking us the area common to two overlapping circles is 1/8, 1/8. For example, this part is overlapping, this part is overlapping, this part is overlapping, and this part is overlapping. In total, there are 4 parts that is overlapping. Correct? That means the total area of overlapping circles is 4 times 1/8. That is going to be 4/8. Now we have to tell what is the area of the region covered by the 5 circles shown. Basically, we have to remove the area that was overlapped because already that is overlapping. So we can remove that much area and we will be having the proper area in the figure which is shown. What we have to do now, 5 minus 4/8, or else we can say 1/2. After taking the LCM, it will be 10 minus 1/2, or else we can say it is 9/2. So the given area of this figure is actually 9/2 centimeter square. I hope it was easy to understand and you liked the video. And if you're having any doubts, any questions in any of the previous year exams, do let us know in the comments below. We will be happy to help you out. I will meet you soon again in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.